I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a narrow niche that has paying readers. This matters because targeted traffic converts faster. Once chosen, validate demand by checking 3 competitors and a few keyword clusters so you don't chase dead topics. Then make the first actionable moves. Install your CMS, pick a lightweight theme, and add an email capture form on the homepage. Do these now. The goal is to create publishable scaffolding, so you can begin producing and monetizing content immediately. Once your site is ready, focus on creating content that converts. Publish 10 cornerstone posts aimed at high-intent keywords and user needs. Make sure each post contains 1 lead magnet and a clear internal call to action to capture emails or sell an entry product. Also optimize on-page SEO, use descriptive headings, meta tags, and keep page speed fast so search engines reward you. As you publish, track engagement metrics and refine topics based on what attracts clicks and signups. Now monetize and scale. Implement 3 income streams, ads, affiliate offers, and a low-cost own product or service, so revenue isn't dependent on one source. Once sales appear, scale using email funnels, repurposed content for social platforms, and strategic partnerships to widen reach. Make sure to reinvest in content and analytics. If growth stalls, perform a targeted audit of your traffic sources and conversion funnel. Identify the weakest link, content relevance, landing pages, or email sequence, and fix that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.